Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe my channel if you do not want to miss a single lecture of this series. Today we will talk about the first lecture of our microscopy lecture series, that is properties of light. If you don't know the basic properties of light, you will never understand microscopy basics. Let's start about the basic properties of light. I will discuss 7 important properties of light. First is reflection. So reflection is change in direction of a wave at a boundary between two different media, so that the wave moves back into the medium it came from. Suppose this is media 1 and this is media 2, and this is boundary between two media. Now the wave is coming from media 1 to media 2. But instead of going to media 2, it gets back into media 1. This is known as reflection. The wave that is coming is called as incident ray, and the wave that is going back is called reflected ray. Refraction. Refraction is change in direction of a wave passing from one medium to another. Suppose this is medium 1, water, and this is medium 2, that is air. And this is the boundary between two media. Now light is passing from medium 1 to medium 2. But instead of going towards the straight line, it changes its direction and bends little bit. So this is about refraction. Diffraction. Diffraction is the slight bending of light as it encounters an obstacle. So light is moving and facing an obstacle here, so it bends, right? Scattering. When light rays get deviated from its straight path on striking an obstacle like dust, gas molecules or water vapors, etc., it is called as scattering. Suppose sunlight is coming in a straight path and it hits some particles in its way. Then instead of going towards its straight path, light rays get deviated by these particles and become scattered. Dispersion. Dispersion is splitting of white light when it passes through a glass prism into its constituent spectrum of colors, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Actually, white light is composed of 7 colors. So, when it passes through a prism like this, it gets split into 7 colors. Polarization. Polarization is vibration of light in more than one plane. We know there are 3 planes, XY, XZ and YZ. A light wave that is vibrating in more than one plane is referred to as unpolarized light. The process of transforming unpolarized light into polarized light is known as polarization of light. Suppose this is the light source. Now light waves are vibrating in different planes. Hence, they are unpolarized light. Now, a polarizer is placed. This is the polarizer. Polarizer is placed here. And now, all the light waves are vibrating in a single plane and became polarized. Interference. Interference is a phenomena in which two waves combine to form a resultant wave of greater, lower or same amplitude. So, relationship between two waves with each other is called phase. When both the waves are at the highest peak, they are called in phase. So here, two waves add together and create constructive interference, resulting in a wave of greater amplitude. So here we can see that this wave is at its highest peak. So this is the highest peak. And this wave also at its highest peak. So both of them are at their highest peak. If we add them together, resulting wave will have a much bigger amplitude. Okay. When one wave is at its highest peak and the other one is at its lowest, we can say them out of phase. In that case, two waves cancel each other out and create destructive interference, resulting in a wave of lower amplitude. So, here we can see that this wave is at its highest peak, and these wave as its lowest peak. If we add them together, they will cancel each other out, and the resulting wave will have a much lower amplitude. Hope you understood the concept. If you liked my lesson, please do like, comment and share my video. Thank you.